Hi guys, this is Soladera YouTube channel. This video is all about how to use Google Form and how to create a Google Form survey using smartphone. Okay, we'll start. First, open the Chrome app. Then if you already open it, try to search Google Form like this. Then if you already find the Google Form like this one, like this page, then click it and log in. If you already have login, then add blank form. Try to add blank form. Like click this. Then if you go in this page, try this how you create a Google form. Adding the title form like survey form, like survey form. uh, like survey form. And this is how you add description, like describe the form or what all about the form, like all about physical fitness. Then this is how you create a question, like add what, like what is fitness, ganun, like that. Then if you want to add like answer like option 1, option 2, 3, and 4. And this is how you customize the how their answer or how our answer works. Like you create short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down. You can upload file, draw skill, rating skills, multiple choice grid, checkbox grid, date, time, and it, that plus sign is how you add new question, and you can delete it. And the second one is you can add a link or something related to your questionnaire. And this is how you like this link about questionnaire. And the second one is the another you can add title. Is how you add image. Second one is like video. Like you can add video like to watch. There's a new field like other page, second page, and you can delete it. And then if you already have done all, you can publish it. Like click the publish and publish it, and you can proceed to the respondent. Thank you for watching guys, and I hope you enjoy the video and the tutorial.